Hey again, and I hope you guys are doing good. Today I have a quick side job for you guys. This is one of our last side jobs of the 2023 season, and by this point I think we were all tired of side, and that's just the reality of life. Even though I enjoy what I do, there's obviously going to be days that you just don't like, but it's work and we got it done, and I just hope you guys enjoy. This is what we're dealing with today. Full grade inside, 700 yards. All the water run off. The back ain't too bad. We got our internet line right here. Be careful with that.
Which way you take you?
I took 96 to...
M14?
Yeah, M14. I'll do it, bro. So to start off this grade, we'll first plan out the whole backyard. You can see that I still have the dirt in the bucket, and that's just to make the bucket heavier so I can hit any small rocks. And after that, we'll come and bring our dirt. We'll just sprinkle it everywhere and try to fill in all those low spots that we come across. And we'll also sprinkle dirt around the house just so the guys on the ground can rake that. So any place the machine can't reach, we'll sprinkle dirt and the guys will just rake it out for us. And if you do everything right, it should start looking like this. Side looks really good. Last 2 weeks we've been having some really bad side. It's just been really heavy and wet. Taking it really slow. I don't want to drop this. Can't really see where I'm going. Man, it looks like it's gonna fall. Just this angle. We made it. Let me help these guys out. Well, I texted him like at 8 to see what we were gonna do. Like, what's the plan? Like, like, what are we doing tomorrow? I don't know. You just said we didn't. I don't remember what we did or didn't do. I'm assuming they're gonna come and dig some stuff. That's what she made it seem. There's like foundation issues.
What you say?
To only go up to like a certain point. And then just like make a square because someone's gonna come and say something about foundation issues. I'm assuming digging. If it's foundation issues, you know what I mean? And if you're wondering why we didn't just grade the whole yard first and then lay sod, there's a reason to that, and it's because we were to grade everything first. Once we brought in sod with the machines, we were gonna have to run through everything that we did grade, so we're gonna end up doing work twice. So instead of doing that, we'll just do it once, start from the back, and work our way out. And this is how she turned out. We left this part blank because I guess they're coming back to fix foundation issues. As you can see, like, there's a crack right there. It's crazy. Brand new house. Look at brand new house. And if you guys enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed and comment to let me know what you guys think. And as always, on to the next job.